Hello everybody, nice to meet you. I hope everything go well. In this video I will explain overview for payroll management system. I am Hisham Fauzi, software engineer, and this is the first video of this tutorial for the payroll management system. Payroll system management consists are 10 software. Main page. This is main page, which it contains logo of the system and authorized of software engineer Hisham Fauzi, and the link of the portfolio and WhatsApp contact and tutorial video. This link will lead you to our tutorial channel. You will find everything you need for training and tutorial. And we explain the latest technology which developed this system by .NET Core version 8, and JavaScript for front-end, Bootstrap 5. And this is a link of the latest technology of C#, which is .NET 8 Core. And this is a link for the cloud server. This cloud server has our host and our database server in this company. So you have to log in when you want to use system backup or restore. This is the report builder link. Report builder link, we use Microsoft report builder, and will do your reports as you need using this report builder. Is something wrong in the internet? So this is the contents of the main page. After that, setting, which is activity setting, we have to define our activity setting and the best use of the system. Which is your site's business, allocation and department, business jobs, set allowance parameters for the payroll. Allowance parameter is create new, is allowance name, the value, the allowance type. Also you have to set detection allowance. This is detection, which is detection name, in percentage of deduction and the amount of deduction. After that, set groups of employee, which is groups employee. The second software is employee management. Employee management contains everything about employee. Add a new employee, search an employee, print employee slip for payroll, employee salaries report. This is the label of the employee. When we print employee salaries report, that means I will print reports for each employee salary. Employee loans reports, employee overtime, employee allocation reports, employee detection reports, employee allocation reports. All these reports we will use to make the analysis of the data, and we have answered any employee about every contents of his salary. So there is a report for everything about employee details and employee transactions and employee salary. Payroll management, which include create payroll transaction, search in payroll transaction, print payroll transaction, search in payroll sheets, print payroll sheets. The difference between payroll transactions and payroll sheets is in payroll sheets reports there is one single employee, no any repeat for employee. Employee has one line in the report. Contains calculation of all transactions in this period for the employee. But in payroll transaction there is more lines for every transaction for each employee. So your employee repeat more and more and more in these sheets. That's the difference between payroll transactions and payroll sheets. Overtime. We separate overtime management and payroll management because we will pay payroll first and after that the company pay overtime, not at the same time yet. And the same procedure done for overtime. And we have create overtime transaction, search in overtime transaction, print overtime transaction, search in overtime sheets, and print overtime sheets. And the difference also between the overtime transaction and overtime sheets as we explained in payroll. Allocation. This is the software for payroll data allocation. Create allocation transaction, search in allocation transaction, print allocation transaction. As you see, every report belong to software in the menu of the software. Okay. We don't have menu for reports because there is two type of reports. There is top management reports and transaction reports. Transaction reports, every section or manager or employee uses, but top management reports only for top management. Here, analysis software or analysis modules contains all the top management reports, and this is data analysis for everything in the employee. So this is employee and payroll data analysis, which is payroll sheets analysis, taxes analysis, zakat analysis, salaries analysis, overtime analysis, allowance analysis, deduction analysis, allocation analysis. After that, system, there is 3 category in this software. The first category is user control, which is rules types for users and assign a user with the rules. This is a security or the management of the user. Which user authorized to look at what, to print what, to edit what, to delete what. This decided through this payroll sheets and taxes analysis and this with admin of the system. The second category is emails. Emails control or email management, which is send email, search in email, email reports, and the third, the latest or the last category is data security, which is backup data and restore data. This is all the software in this, all the software in the payroll management system, and I will do tutorial videos for each component on every software. Just follow me. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy. And before I end this video, I want to take your attention that you must register the system and log in the system to have the authorized to use anything here of the system as your rules. Thank you, and see you later in the second video. Goodbye.